Town of Bluffton Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Beaufort County, South Carolina is the second oldest county in South Carolina, and whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into what became established as the town of Bluffton. Whereas these Africans came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas numerous historic churches within our town and one of the very cabins that enslaved Africans built still stands in Bluffton. And whereas Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, was instrumental in the preservation of these cabins at Haywood House and the dissemination of their history as it relates to Gullah Geechees that built them and lived in them. Whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, founded by Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah of All Mobile Productions, continues to move to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world and to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee culture and traditions, such as those that live on in Bluffton. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival will focus on reconstruction, reunion, and revival this year, and whereas a series of activities will take place throughout Beaufort County and in the town of Bluffton to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and to celebrate the theme along with the festival participants. Now therefore, I, Lisa Sulka, Mayor of the town of Bluffton, do hereby proclaim July 28th through July 3rd, 2014 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Bluffton, South Carolina, dated the 28th day of July 2014. Thank you, Mayor Sulka. Thank you, Town of Bluffton. And so glad for day one more again at these your cabin at Haywood House. Hunna chillin', I the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and my ancestors them been to walk this your land. My ancestors them been the one what put up this your building. And guess what? Hunna chillin' yet about Sherman and in March and how he burned down all kind of things through ya. We're Haywood House and these your cabin and for us kept on fire. And it's still there to this your day. One of the place we want Hunna children for comfort, see, for truth, so that Hunna can get about all what the Gullah Geechee be do. Right here in this your town, high upon the bluff, the winds of God still a blow for keep we culture alive. So thank you, all the Hunna children, come here and shout with we for this your Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, because it going to be a shouting time for truth. God bless you, children.